Welcome to the Schedule.so tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to integrate Google Meet with Schedule. Finding it hard to manage multiple meeting links? With Google Meet integration, Schedule automatically generates and attaches meeting links to your events, saving you time and effort. Let's set up your Google Meet integration in just a few steps. Go to the Meeting Location section in Schedule. Click the Connect button next to Google Meet. A new window will open. Sign into your Google account. Grant the necessary permissions to allow Schedule to integrate with Google Meet. That's it. Your Google Meet is now connected. You can set Google Meet as the default meeting location, so every new event automatically includes a Google Meet link for easy access. Or you can choose a meeting location manually from the drop-down if you have multiple locations configured. Once a booking is confirmed, the Google Meet link is automatically generated and shared with both you and the participant. No more back and forth emails, just effortless scheduling and instant meeting links. With Google Meet integration, Schedule makes virtual meetings effortless, saving you time and ensuring a smooth workflow. Set up your meetings in seconds. Try Google Meet Sync in Schedule.so today.